Hello students, last lecture I have taught you the basic points related to the triangles. Now we'll start the first point from this chapter. This is property 1. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. This is a statement and we have to prove whatever the properties we know about the triangles. So in this case, what we have to find out the ratio of areas of two triangles. Means we need two triangles. Suppose this is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. In this triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular BC. That means AD is height and BC is base. So here in this triangle PQR, PM is perpendicular to QR. That means PM is height and QR is base. So we have written here given in triangle ABC, AD perpendicular BC, and in triangle PQR, PM perpendicular QR. This is given to us. What we have to prove? The ratio of areas of these two triangles is equals to ratio of product of their corresponding bases and heights. So to prove, area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equals to BC into AD upon QR into PM. Okay, so to prove this, you have to use the point that you learnt in your lower classes, that is area of triangle. Okay, so in the proof, this is our first statement. Area triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2 base BC into height AD. And same in triangle PQR, area triangle PQR equals to 1 by 2 into base QR into height PM. This is by formula. Now we got here areas of two triangles. Now we have to take the ratio. So area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equals to 1 by 2 into BC into AD from this statement upon 1 by 2 into QR into PM from this second statement, from 1 and 2. Here 1 by 2 is common in numerator and denominator, it gets cancelled and we get the final answer. Area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equals to BC into AD upon QR into PM. That means ratio of areas of two triangles is equals to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Base into height, base into height. Based on this property, here are some problems. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC, AD is 5 centimeters and BC is 8 centimeters. In triangle LMN, LT perpendicular MN, LT is 4 centimeters, MN is 15 centimeters. Find area triangle ABC upon area triangle LMN. From this given information, here are two triangles. Triangle ABC where AD is perpendicular to BC, AD is height, BC is base. In triangle LMN, LT is perpendicular MN, LT is height and MN is base. So again you have to write down given in triangle ABC, AD perpendicular BC, AD equals to 5 centimeter, BC equals to 8 centimeter. In triangle LMN, LT perpendicular MN, LT is 4 centimeters, MN is 15 centimeters. Now we have to find out ratio of areas of two triangles. So by the property that you have learnt now, area triangle ABC upon area triangle LMN is equals to BC into AD, base into height, upon MN into LT, base into height, by ratio of areas of two triangles. Now in this step we have to put the values, related values. BC is 8 centimeter and AD is 5, so 8 into 5 upon MN is 15 into LT is 4. Now here we can simplify. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8 and here 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So the ratio we got here is area triangle ABC upon area triangle LMN is equals to 2 upon 3. So here are these two problems based on the same property. I'll send this worksheet on your WhatsApp. You just observe this video and solve these two examples.